All right, Alfred Telefero, Mr. Telefero TV. All right, ouch. All right, so the GS9 crew, salute to Bobby Shmurda, Roddy Rebel, and company. They had another devastating hit today. This is not good for anybody, all right? You never want to hear this. But I mean, when you committing crimes and you're not thinking about your actions and you're treating people wrong who in positions of power, stuff like this happens. All right, for those who don't know, it's been what, a year, 2 years now since Bobby Shmurda and his crew have been arrested. They came in, they found guns, they tied a lot of his crew to murders. We've already seen back in May that Rashid Darissant got a 98-year sentence, and Alex A-Rod Crandon, another member of GS9, he got a 53-year sentence as well. So that judge is not playing with them. He's handing out sentences. Well, today was a very sad day for another member of the GS9 crew, Santino Boderick. All right, if you don't know who Santino Boderick is, I'm going to teach you a little lesson. All right, he's a member of GS9, but he's also the guy, when the judge tried to offer him 15 years, he told the judge to he said, fuck you, and suck his dick, which got him escorted out of the courtroom. Well, that judge got him back today. He was given 117 and a half to 130 years, all right? I don't know anybody on the face of this earth that's made it. If the guy's, what is he, about 24 right now? I don't know anybody that's made it to 154. That's the rest of his life. Even if he got reborn again, that's the other life as well, right? He's done. Well done. I mean, he's been convicted of 23 counts of conspiracy to commit murder, attempted murder in the second degree, and a number of assault and weapon charges. And I mean, hey, man, forensics have just identified him as a shooter in 3 of the 4 incidents of gun violence. I mean, you're doing yourself in. There is nothing else you can do for this guy. I mean, I don't know if these guys are even denying the crimes. Like, they're pleading not guilty, but I mean, it's a given that these dudes were doing something wrong, and it sucks because Bobby Shmurda's wave was just reaching its climax. Like, it was just reaching its climax. For those who don't know, Rowdy Rebel and Bobby Shmurda should be looking to get out in about 7 years. They both got like 7-year sentences. Actually, they did about 2 years so far, so they might be out in the next 5 years, maybe 3 at the best. Bobby Shmurda actually could have took a shorter sentence, but he took a couple extra years to get Rowdy out at about the same time as him. So, I mean, he did the move that I feel like he had to make. That's your right-hand man. Y'all did crimes together. Y'all grind together, all right? That's pretty much essentially what it is. And I'm pretty sure they don't want to leave the other in prison without the other one. So, it makes a lot of sense. So, I mean, hey, and Bobby Shmurda hasn't been having the best go-around in prison. I mean, you've heard of a couple of incidents where you got in a fighting with other gang members. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, these guys are paying for crimes that they committed. I hope this is a good warning for somebody who's thinking about committing a crime today. Your ass will do 130 years in prison, and that law will catch up with you. And when you do crimes, please don't go in front of the judge and disrespect. Sometimes it's not about what race it is or you think somebody got an in for you. Sometimes you just got to respect the people in power and do what it takes to get a lower sentence. Well, let's say maybe that this sentence could have been, I don't know, he got 130 years. Maybe he could have got 50, 60 years. I mean, that gives you the possibility of being 84 and maybe getting out of this thing, maybe a chance of getting out. But, I mean, now you're doing yourself in. There is absolutely no way that Mr. Boderick gets out of jail. And it's a sad case, man. These crimes, man, y'all brothers got to learn. Alfred Telefero, Mr. Telefero TV, comment responses below. Santino Boderick of GS9, one of Bobby Shmurda's associates, gets 117 years in prison. Thank you for the time, love, and support. Salute. I'm out.